listening to 102.6 The Hawk, and this is Kat. It's currently 32 degrees in Palmville, and to warm things up,
Hello?
Finally, I've been trying to reach you.
Who is this?
I'll give you one guess.
Morpheus? Just kidding. What's up, Jeff?
Alright, listen. This ain't a movie, but what you're about to learn, it's gonna mess with your head. You ever felt like the market was moving against you on purpose?
Every damn day.
Yeah, that's because it is. You're playing in a rigged system. Algo traps, fake breakouts, news events designed to shake you out. They don't want you to win, bro.
Who is they, bruh?
Market makers, institutions, liquidity vampires, call them what you want. They're not just hunting stops, they're hunting you. Your discipline, your confidence, your edge.
So what are you saying?
I'm saying, are you ready to see a world they don't want you to see? Look at your screen right now. You see that spike? Looks like a breakout, right?
Yeah, it just tapped liquidity in reverse. Took my stop.
Exactly. That's not a mistake. That's not just the market. That's a niño, a fake signal. They left it for you, like a trap, and you took the bait.
Damn.
That was your wake-up call. You've been watching charts, but you've never seen them. Not for what they are.
So, what now?
Now, you make a choice. You close this call, you go back to your Discord server. You keep chasing the same trades, keep falling for the same traps. You lose a little bit more each day from your account, and then one day, maybe, just maybe, you convince yourself that trading isn't for you. Or, you stay on this call, and I show you what the market really is. I'll teach you how to read behind the candles, how to smell fear on the chart, how to trade in a system designed to destroy people like you and still win. It's your move. Choose wisely.
listening to 102.6 The Hawk, and this is Kat. It's currently 32 degrees in Palmville, and to warm things up a little bit, I'm going to play a tune by Cody.
Finally, I've been trying to reach you.